Everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return this video is smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards everything we have to cover in this video, guys. We're going to talk about Xela stock, Exela Technologies Inc. A lot of investors are anticipating a squeeze and they're looking for this to push back upwards and do a reversal, right? It seems to have bottomed out and it's pushing back up. We need to see if this is a bull trap or if it's going to continue going lower. But before we look at it, I just want to quickly announce with you guys and share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to receive live updates on the stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the market, guys. So we talked about IMNM, we talked about ENZ, and we talked about NURO. This was our home run of the day. For me, by definition, in a single day, in just a few minutes to hours, 20% plus is a home run, guys. Anything beyond that is spectacular. Anything below that is a great or good day. This turned out to be way beyond our home run expectations of 20% plus, and we're going to look at it in just a moment. But ENZ turned out to give us 5 to 10% jumps. IMNM gave us 10 to 20% opportunities. This did touch home run territory, but for a very brief moment, but turned out to be spectacular for the day as well. So our home run opportunity was spectacular. So what turned out to happen? Well, we talked about this one in the pre-market. It gave us 10 to 20% jump early on in the day, pulled back down, consolidated, started to pick up traction, and it gave about 100% in just about an hour, pulled back down. The next hour, almost 200% from way down here at these lows, pulled back down and shot up for a 300% opportunity. And at its highest point, a point of 300% plus, guys. Anywhere between 300 to 350% on the day. This was phenomenal. This was literally beyond expectations. This is 15 days plus worth of home runs per day, right? Because a home run, in my definition, per day is 20% plus, either collectively through stocks or one individual stock that runs up 20% plus. This turned out to be 15 times that in a single day, 300% plus. So if you guys want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. Now, it is impossible to say that you can just ride this up completely. The goal is to find stocks with such momentum, and throughout the whole entire day, it was filled with opportunities of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, and 20% and beyond, right? But it's all about knowing what stocks to watch, when to watch them. Caught this one pretty early in the pre-market. The whole entire chart speaks for itself. This was beyond expectations. It is impossible, like I said, to ride it from the bottom to the top, but anywhere between that bottom and to the top, it was filled with opportunities, guys. It's all about timing and execution. So here we are with Xela, right? Exela Technologies, XELA stock. Now, a lot of investors, like I stated, are looking for that squeeze, right? Every single investor is excited. I've talked about this in my previous videos, and I have a question to all you guys now, because when this was going upwards, a lot of investors were saying that this can go beyond these highs of $7.78. I would just round that up to $7.80 or $8. Everyone was saying $10 plus, $20. And at these levels, how do you feel as an investor right now? Do you think this can get back up to the 5s or even close to the 7s? Or do you still feel that affirmative approach of $10 to $20? I just want to go ahead and ask that to everyone at these levels, how they feel, because this has been going in a downtrend, and for a stock to squeeze and push to the upside, it needs to go higher to force the shorts to cover, right? A stock going down is just making the shorts win. For the bulls to win, they need to make the shorts cover and push it up higher. So just wanted to ask that, throw it out there and see what your guys' thoughts are. So this seems to have bottomed out, right? As we kind of see it here. But it's so important to be aware that this may not be the bottom. That's why we need to look at it very carefully. So the lowest point that we saw was 253. If that gets broken through, the next point of reference I would look at is 227, and then down here at 190. Okay, now if this starts to show strength and this turns out to be the bottom, this could actually consolidate within these levels, and then all it takes is the bulls to reappear to bring this up to newer highs and new resistance levels based off of catalyst and momentum. So it's going to be important to see if this is going to hold up strength or do a slight staircase effect and a very subtle movement, giving leverage to the bulls, or are the bears going to continue to tear this down, guys? So we talked about supports, but resistance levels, what I'll be watching for is right here at 289. The next point of reference would be up here at 319, and most importantly 405. Okay, super important for the bulls to break through those levels, but 405 to definitely show some type of significant approach of leverage and pushing up with momentum, so this can continue going upwards, and then we would have to focus on the other resistance levels beyond that. But right now 405 is the peak I will be watching to see if there's true strength or if it just kind of jumps up and pulls right back down. And then the other thing is to think if this is a bull trap, right? Pay close attention to it to see if this goes into further weakness, because if the bulls lose traction here and this goes into further weakness, those support levels I mentioned are key, and the bears are going to take advantage of that situation, and the shorts are winning. For the shorts to cover, this needs to push upwards and reach newer highs. Now, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with the friends so they can receive the insight as well. And if you have time, go check out my most recent upload on a stock that has 200% plus opportunity based off analysis ratings. And with how the stock market has been so volatile, it is a great time to be aware of opportunities that are presenting themselves for the long run, months from now, and days and even years from now, right? Days from now, it could have a small jump. Months from now, it could actually push up to that 100%, 200%, 50% up from where it's at now. So I definitely want you guys to check it out if you have time. It's talking about plug power and everything about it. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily and weekly before I post them on any other social platform, and you want to get the live updates, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.